Now we have all the information, necessary information is there, like contacts, companies, fees, settings, user managements. Okay, all that information is in our database now. Now it's time to create a management company that is going to manage a project for us. And to do that thing, what we have to do is just type the title of that. Let's say native hydro, maybe whatever the name you would like to. And after that you have to choose a company here, and that company is just, we had just created native systems, and now we are creating a management company by selecting a company and giving him a new title against that company. Let's say create it. Now SPV is created here. Okay, native hydro relation manager is Marcel Jones, that is coming from company information. And after that there is a fee agreement status that is open. We have not processed it yet. Okay, so we need to process it. To do that thing, we have to click on that button company, and we are inside that company. There is the same thing, board, manager, shareholder, just like things we had talked in the company. This all information is coming from here, or coming from there. Now we have three new menus here. First of all is the fee agreement. Fee agreement is the very you can say very important things in SPV. So you have to first of all type the date of an agreement when this agreement is started, and after that there are different statuses, like no agreement, there is no agreement currently exists, close, drafting, client review, internal review, okay, internal signing, and then external signing. So these are different status that you can choose any of them when you are in different steps. After that you have an option to type your comments. The fourth thing in here is the image, or you can see a PDF file as or an attachment that you can attach to this fee agreement. Okay. Let's say you had a fee agreement here. Now you want to attach some regular services to this company. Let's say how many services we have. We have only one service in the fee list, and this is coming from the fees. So let's say premium service, monthly period. This is the invoicing period, that how it is going to invoice. Okay, we say we will invoice them monthly, trimestry, yearly. Okay, after doing that thing, you have quantity and amount. Quantity is down, is disabled, because you have choose a flat quantity. In a flat quantity, that means that we don't we do not need any quantity, and it will be just a flat amount. For it doesn't concern any meetings process there. So we say amount is, let's say, €50. Okay, and then some comment if you want, and if you want to make it specific, let's say 10 meetings in a year only. So you just have to select it and type a 10 quantity here. Okay, after doing that you can click on the add button, and here we go. Premium service, how many meetings will be there? 10 meetings, and amount agreed was 50. And this is a comment. Invoice period is a monthly, and we are then additional service. This is the second part of the additional service. Additional service is a service. Okay, this is an additional service that we are, let's say 10 meetings are ended, and now they wants to have some ad hoc meeting or something like that. Okay, so we have this option here. So for a premium service, we will, for one quantity, we will charge you €100 for that. Okay, and after that you have to just add it, and then additional service is there. Okay, the last thing in the fee agreement is the history of fee agreements. Let's say this contract is closed now. Okay, after closing that contract, that contract, we need that contract information. So this information will be here and always will be available here. Let's say create a contract, let's say maybe 1st November. Okay, starting it, update a contract. Okay, it's an open. Now we have done with this thing, and we are closing this status, and we say open external signing now, right? So after doing that, there will be, when you close this contract, let's say closed it, when you close this, system will automatically fee agreement contract date is not set. It's actually because this thing is coming because you had not attached any attachment to it. Let attach any document here. Okay, when you do that and click on update, now fee agreement update data is signed. Okay, now you will see an option here actually that will give you a sign that you can close it. When you here, you can click on the closed icon and update. The system will automatically, now signing is process is done. Okay, now you cannot make any note, any modification to the contract because the contract is signed and it is closed. Regular service you cannot modify. Closed fee agreement cannot be updated. The same thing here. Okay, history is not still yet. So let's say now your contract, you want to close this contract permanently. Okay, you what you will do is you just have to click here, close current agreement. That will tell you that all auto service against current fee agreement will be stopped. I show you to close current fee agreement, cancel active fee agreement. Now you are canceling this fee agreement. Okay, close current agreement. Now it is closed. Status is now changed to no agreement. And this thing will automatically show up here when you will refresh your screen. Okay, all information is gone from here. Now the contract information is here now. Okay, if you want to download some information here, you can click here and that will open up the attachment that you had attached here last time when you had signed that agreement, when you had closed that agreement. So there was an attachment that you had that was a mandatory field. It was mandatory because in the future, if you want to take a look on this agreement again, so you have an option to download that agreement and take a look again. This was against a fee agreement.